Hi, my name's Lisa Ray Harrison and I'm the manager for Hastings Neighbourhood Services. We run a tool library here at the centre. It's sponsored by Midwaste and Community Housing Limited, and today we're having a workshop on how to actually use the tools. So we provide tools free of charge. You just have to become a member of the library and you borrow it just like you would a library book. And you bring it back a week later after having done your own chores around the house.
Hi, my name's Stephen Neal. I'm the New South Wales Community Development Manager for Community Housing Limited. I'm really proud to be part of this program with the Neighbourhood Centre and Midwaste. What we're doing is giving the opportunity to our social housing tenants to be able to access tools so they can maintain their gardens and their homes. One of the feedback I've got from tenants is I'm no longer paying for somebody to come around mow my lawns. I'm able to do it myself and it's saving me money. So in these times it's a really handy thing to have.